Okay, and welcome back to another physics lesson. Let's start with our quiz. So you've got your paper ready, a pen, and you just draw the triangles or whatever as needed, and then I'll go through the answers afterwards. The first one, a cat sits on a mat. Which of these three force diagrams is correct? Pause the video here if you need to. I'm going to move on to the next question. Question 2. Which equation cannot be used for uniform acceleration? Of these three equations, which could not be used for uniform acceleration? Again, pause the video as needed, as I'm about to move on to question 3. Which of these three equations could I use to find the length of the side x on the triangle to the right? Now I like to write out my SOHCAHTOAs, so it's going to take some time, so pause the video, work through it, and make sure of the answer before you move on. And here's question 4. Rearrange this equation to find VI, initial velocity. So definitely pause the video here, work through this problem, and when you start again, I'll go through the answers. All right, question 1. A cat sits on a mat. It's not accelerating, so the forces must be balanced, but all three of them have forces balances. The downwards force that's always existent for things on Earth is a gravity force, and we've got 2 here with a gravity force, and then upwards is a normal force. We call that a normal force, not a support force, not a reaction force. It's a normal force. So that's part number 3, or this one in the corner here. So make sure you get your grades down for that one. Which cannot be used for uniform acceleration. These formulas here, you'll see have both come up at some point in uniform acceleration. This one here is a constant speed formula. And it doesn't work out if you've got a uniform acceleration problem, i.e. something going faster, this will work out an incorrect distance. So get your grades down for that. As always, I need to write out SOHCAHTOA. I've got a hypotenuse here, this is the adjacent, that's the opposite. I've got these two, so that's TOA, so tan theta equals opposite over adjacent, which in this case is tan 30 equals x over 12. So there we go, 3 marks there. And rearrange to find VI. So I'm going to do it one at a time. I'm going to get rid of the t first by dividing by t, which will give me d over t equals VI plus VF over 2. Then I'm going to times both sides by 2. So I've got 2d over time equals VI plus VF. Now I'm going to subtract VF. 2d over t minus VF equals VI. Have yourself 3 marks for that one. Okay, see you back for the rest of the lesson.